corruption remains a significant challenge in many parts of the world, and Malaysia is not exception. However, there are the individuals and organizations tirelessly working to put out corrupt practice.
That's right, Vanita. Recently, a potential corruption incident was charted at City Junction, and it was all captured on camera. Let's go to the footage.
Here are all the details of our project. We really need your approval.
I'm sorry, but I can't prove this. This is too many of the truth.
Islam, if this project isn't approved, our company will face termination. We really can't afford that.
No, I'm sorry, my decision stand.
Islam, I got a proposal for you. This briefcase contains a substantial amount. Just a little favor for approving our project.
I'm listening.
As you can see, Mr. Low is attempting to bribe Ms. Lam in exchange for project approval. This screen could have played out differently if not for the intervention of the brave individual.
Excuse me, I couldn't help I have overheard it. Miss Lam, you don't realize accepting a bribe is illegal, right?
I don't know what you are talking about.
I have the entire conversation that recorded. The authorities will be very interested in hearing it.
This is a misunderstanding. We're just having a casual chat.
Service for the police.
Mr. Oi, quick thinking. This attempt at corruption was stopped in its track. The authorities were alerted and both Mr. Lu and Islam are now under investigation.
It is heartening to see citizens taking a stand against corruption. If we all take action, we can create a more transparent and just society.
Vanita, we encourage everyone to report any suspicious activity and support anti-corruption efforts.
Thank you for joining us on this special report. Stay vigilant and stay informed.
Good luck.